Number 1.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $7,400, showing 79,000 miles on the odometer.
It's powered by a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs strong with smooth shifting.
The truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a burgundy interior, both in clean and well-kept condition. The C10 features 2 WD, tinted windows, rubber mats, and a Rhinos line coated bed liner that adds durability and protection.
The frame is solid and clean, reinforced with rubberized undercoating for long-term preservation.
Additional highlights include good heat, a towing package, and 20-inch wheels and tires that enhance both its stance and performance. Regular oil changes and scheduled maintenance have been consistently performed, ensuring reliable operation. The truck holds a clean title, and overall, it runs and drives very well, a solid example of a cared-for classic Chevy pickup.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F250, price $10,000, showing 164,000 miles. This truck has been well maintained and recently received several important upgrades that make it a strong performer on and off the road. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired with the legendary 7.5L 460 V8 big block engine, delivering impressive torque and durability that Ford's heavy-duty trucks are famous for. The 4x4 drivetrain ensures excellent traction and capability in all terrains, whether tackling rough job sites or weekend adventures. This F250 features a crew cab configuration, offering spacious seating and comfort for both driver and passengers. Its red exterior is enhanced by a custom paint job, giving it a bold and refreshed appearance, while the gray interior maintains a clean and functional look that complements the truck's rugged character.
Number 3.
1982 GMC Sierra, price $9,900, powered by the original factory 6.2L Detroit diesel engine, an engine co-developed by General Motors and Detroit Diesel, the same type used in military Humvees. It features a new injection pump, fresh filters, new brakes, and dual new batteries.
The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives great with no oil leaks. The Turbo 400 automatic transmission shifts properly, and the truck retains its original wood plank bed along with a tonneau cover.
The interior is in excellent condition, and even the original AM/FM radio is still fully functional. There is minor rust visible at the bottom of the doors, but overall, the truck remains in impressive shape, with parts of the original black paint still visible on the frame.
Number 4.
1990 GMC 2500, price $7,500. This truck is a clean, single-owner truck that has been very well maintained. With only 57,000 original miles, it runs and drives great, powered by a 350 TBI engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The truck features a 14-bolt rear end and 6 lug wheels, ensuring durability and solid performance. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the cabin is exceptionally clean and well kept, with no cracks on the dashboard. The air conditioning blows cold, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. Overall, this 1990 GMC 2500 combines reliability, low mileage, and a well-preserved interior, a great example of a classic, rust-free, one-owner truck that's ready to hit the road.
Number 5.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300. This truck is a solid, dependable full-size pickup that combines classic design with proven performance. It comes equipped with a strong-running gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and reliability on every drive. With 253,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has clearly been used but still has plenty of life left, a true testament to Chevy's long-lasting build quality. The exterior features a timeless gray finish that gives it a rugged yet refined appearance, while the black interior provides a clean, comfortable cabin for both driver and passengers. The extended cab offers extra space for storage or additional seating, and the classic stepside bed design adds both character and functionality, perfect for hauling tools, gear, or weekend adventure equipment.
Number 6.
1982 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,800. This truck has 100,500 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a timeless silver color that highlights its classic truck styling. Power comes from a dependable 6.2L engine paired with a 400th transmission, offering a solid and smooth driving experience. This truck has received plenty of attention, featuring many new parts and upgrades. Both the engine and transmission remain strong, while the true dual exhaust system with MagnaFlows and an H-pipe delivers a deep, refined sound. It's also equipped with a 6.5 inline pump and updated glow plugs, enhancing reliability and performance. Though it could use some minor floor patching, the truck is otherwise in solid survivor condition.
Number 7.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,999, well-maintained classic truck with only 120,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance both on and off the road with its 4x4 system featuring low and high range. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this truck presents a timeless look that has been carefully kept over the years. It features a new headliner, new 17-inch LTZ wheels wrapped in CO2 tires, new brakes, and a custom 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust for an enhanced tone and performance. Additional upgrades include a Lear canopy with keys, a tow package, and an alarm system with keyless entry for extra security and convenience. Recently tuned up and ready for the road, this Chevy 1500 runs strong and drives smoothly. With a clean and clear title, it's a solid, rust-free pickup that combines classic style, utility, and reliability.
Number 8.
1965 Ford F100, price $7,750, shows about 100,000 miles and comes with a black exterior and manual transmission. It's powered by a 240 straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed column-shift manual gearbox. The truck runs, drives, and stops, with several recent upgrades including a new fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, and a rebuilt NOS carburetor. It also has an aluminum radiator, recent tune-up, and brake work, plus a fresh oil change. It still needs tires, shocks, and a brake bleed. The alt light is on and gauges aren't working, likely due to an unplugged wire under the dash. The bed floor is rough and covered with diamond plate, while cab floors have some fiberglass repairs. The cab corners, windshield area, and door tops are all solid, a good running, mostly complete classic that's ready for someone to finish and put back on the road.
Number 9.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It features an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, creating a clean and cohesive look. Under the hood, it's powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder gasoline engine, showing fewer than 27,000 original miles, a remarkable testament to how well it has been preserved over the years. The truck runs and drives great, with recent updates including a new fuel tank, a new sending unit, and a set of American racing wheels wrapped in tires with plenty of tread. Whether enjoyed as a weekend cruiser, used as a light restoration project, or transformed into a custom restomod, this C10 offers the perfect blend of originality, reliability, and classic Chevrolet charm.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck is an automatic 4x4 pickup finished in a sleek gold exterior with a tan interior. Powered by a strong V8 5.7L gasoline engine, it runs and drives well and currently serves as an ongoing project. The engine was recently swapped and has approximately 180,000 miles on it, with no leaks reported. Recent maintenance includes a tune-up and a replacement of the steering gearbox, ensuring improved handling and smoother operation. While the truck runs solidly, it does have an exhaust leak that only requires new gaskets to be installed. Overall, this Chevy 1500 offers a solid foundation with dependable performance and classic styling, ideal for enthusiasts or as a light restoration project.